One of my favorite connection activities at the beginning of a workshop or training session is an activity called string connections. And it uses a ball of string, something like this, to make visible the connections that exist within the team or the group that I'm working with. And so it starts by asking three pretty simple questions. I usually use questions like, who are you? Whatever that means to you. What is your involvement or experience in whatever the topic is we're discussing? And then lastly, what would you like to get out of today? What would you like to get out of the workshop or session? And to start with, I give people a chance to share that in groups of 3 or 4. So they get to talk quickly and they get to talk in small groups. And it's kind of a practice run for what their answers are to those 3 questions. And then I invite everyone to come and form a circle. And I start the sharing by sharing my responses to those questions. So I hold on to this ball of string and I say, in a minute, I am going to share with you my responses to those questions. And I really want you to listen out for connections. So if you resonate with anything I say, if you think that there's a connection between you and I, once I've finished sharing, I'd love for you to just call out, raise your hands, and let me know that you heard a connection. Once that's done and people raise their hands, I choose someone to toss the string to. So I hold on to the end of the string and I toss the ball or I toss the roll of string to the person who has found a connection. They then repeat the process. So they share their responses to the 3 questions. After they've finished, we say, who heard a connection to that? People raise their hands, they call out, they choose someone to pass the string to, and so on and so forth. At the end of the activity, we have this wonderful web of connections between everybody in the room.